The traveller's washing machine. What is it? Well, a lot of people have asked me, hey Mike, why are your clothes so white? How do you keep them like that? Do you have a special washing machine? You know, is it a Samsung, is it an LG? And I said, oh, I've got a traveller's washing machine. What is it? Is it expensive? And I go, well, it's cheaper than using Adobe. Adobe is someone who washes your clothes down at the river. And you can always be guaranteed that somewhere along the line your clothes will come back browner than white, or with a burn mark in it from the coal irons that they use. So the traveller's washing machine is a really cool, simple washing machine. And I'm about to show you what it is. So here I am in my bathroom, and you're about to witness the most amazing washing machine you've ever seen in your life. And what you need for this is a lungi. That's if you're in the presence of other people. If you're not, you don't have to wear a lungi. You can wear anything you like. And here I am in my lungi. Check this out. Nice. Woohoo. Okay, and you're going to need a bucket and some soap suds. So, really, let me just do that. And here we go. Check this out. So, I've already prepared the clothes. They're in a bucket. I've given it a bit of a pounding already, so I'll show you what it is. This is the traveller's washing machine. You stick your foot in there like so. Look at that. And you just do this. Few minutes on one foot, change feet, do it on the other foot. You can step in there and, you know, run around. Look at that. Awesome! Traveller's washing machine. Not a problem. Just get yourself a bucket and some soap suds.